Hello everyone, this is Matthew with buildyourownblog.net, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your first blog post. Okay, so inside your WordPress dashboard, over here on the left side, you have what's called posts. Now over here in the post section is where all things pertaining to your blog are found. Here under posts, you have a choice of all posts, add new, categories, and tags. So if you want to go back and edit a post that you've already created, either in a rough draft or already published, you would go to all posts. And if you're starting a new blog post for the first time, you would go to add new. So let's go ahead and say that you're creating your first blog post for the first time. You can click add new. So up here in this bar it says enter title here, and that's where you put your headline. So let's say I'm a travel blogger. I'm going to put my headline in here. And then down here in this box is where you put your text and your images. This is where the body copy to your article goes. Recently I went to Spain. I want to point out 8 great sights to see in Spain that most people don't know about. Now I want to go ahead and add an image to my blog post. So what you want to do is make sure your pointer is wherever you want that image to be. And I'm going to click up here where it says add media. And this is my media library where all the photos are stored that I've already used on my blog. But here I want to upload a photo from my computer. So I click upload files, select the file. Okay, so I select the file. Okay, so WordPress has pulled up the photo. Over here to the right, I can align it however I want, or not at all. I don't need a link to this image, so I'm going to take that out. I want the full size, and I'm going to click Insert into Post. Now as you can see, I've inserted the airplane photo into the blog post. Okay, now the next thing to do, let's look here right under the headline. It says Permalink. And this is the link structure of your blog post. And what it says here is matsnewblogexample.com/?p=23. That really doesn't make any sense or mean anything to anybody. So what I'm going to do is click here where it says change permalinks. And it takes us here, Permalinks Settings, and here is where you're going to simplify and clarify your permalink settings, or where you're going to make your link structures more appealing and more understandable. So what I'm going to do here is not have the default settings on my links anymore. So what I'm going to do here is I want to use the post title in my link. So I'm going to click post name, and then come down here and click Save Changes. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the window that has the new blog post. So now let's go ahead and click Publish, and let's click View Post here. And as you can see here, this post has been published, and if you look up here in the link, it says matsnewblogexample.com/8 great sights to see in Spain, which is what I wanted. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so the last thing I want to cover here on how to make your first blog post is something called titles and tags. So just follow along with me over here on the right side. You'll see over here a box that says categories. Whenever you need to, you can simply click add new category, and then you can add whatever category it is you want to make. So here, let's say we have a category of Spain. So after you type in your category, you click Add New Category. And then you want to uncheck this little box here that says Uncategorized. So this is going to put this blog post into the Spain category. So anytime somebody wants to look up articles on Spain that I've published, all they have to do is look up the Spain category. Now you can also do the same thing with tags right below the categories. So you could do like Spain sites, Spain travel, Spain destinations. You want to separate each category with a comma. What tags do is help your blog get organized. So if we click Add on the tags, and then come up here and click Update, and then go back and view our post, and you can see here on this post that the tags are down here below the blog post at the bottom. And again, you'll see here how tags are so great for organizing and helping your visitors on your blog. So when a visitor comes to this blog, they scroll down to categories, they'll see that over here on the left, and they see this category Spain. So anybody who clicks on Spain will find this article along with any others that I have put under the category of Spain. Well, that wraps up this short video, how to make your first blog post. If you would like additional short video tutorials on blogging, just visit buildyourownblog.net or my YouTube channel. Thanks, and I'll see you again soon.